The actual sewing of the back dress, divided into 5 video sections. Let's create together. Sewing the back dress outer layer. Brief on tracing. In this example, size medium, large, normal length was traced so I can fold it up and down depending on which length I wish to cut. The dress created here is for my sister and has been cut according to the short length. To be able to finish the sleeves with either a double turn-up or a tape finish, please note that the sleeve line has been updated since this video clip. In this example, the sleeves will be finished with a tape. For the neckline, I chose to go with the pleated version on both back and front, and I chose to trace the lower back neckline. Make cut marks for the pleats and pin towards center according to the pattern. French seams. Lay front and back wrong side against wrong side and pin both side seams and shoulder seams. My fabric was a bit difficult to pin, therefore I also used clips, which I highly recommend if you use the Polycrêpe de Chine fabric from Spoonflower. Sew the side seams with a sewing foot's distance. Trim the seam allowance close to the stitch, preparing for the turn and stitching the enclosing of the raw edge when creating a French seam. The stitching of the pleats. Stitch the neckline pleats with half a centimeter's distance or a sewing foot's distance. Next clip to watch. Tape for holding the shape of the shoulder seams, finishing the French seams, and hemming the bottom edge.